We're talking with Kyra now. Kyra, I understand you just attended the Grow Your Business in 90 Days workshop. What would you say was the number one takeaway from today's event?
I'm so energized as a result of everything that I learned here. I feel like I've got some new ideas to create more structure in my business, whether it's time management or sales or approaching the things in marketing that I've been procrastinating on. So I'm just super energized. The presenters were absolutely amazing. I feel like I got 4 times at least the value of what I paid for this in about the first half hour. So just really thrilled to be here.
Excellent. That's quite a compliment to them. So if you knew of a colleague who was considering this workshop, they heard something about it, what would you say about it?
I'd say stop everything and go straight to this workshop because you'll get so many great ideas that you can apply to your business as a small business owner or even in an organization right out of the gate.
Now, they had 3 separate components to this event. What were they and how did they integrate them, or did they integrate well together?
Yeah, so in the workshop today, Sue talked about marketing, Stacia talked about sales, and Elaine talked about time management. And I've been a professional for a really long time, a small business owner for a really long time. And so on the one hand, I feel like I know a lot about it, but I was just excited to kind of see if I'd pick up some new things. And I feel like my mind was blown. They all had such really structured, simple ways of thinking about things that can sometimes feel overwhelming or that, like in my case, I felt I was already expert at. And so to be able to get new ideas, even though I'm really experienced at this, I wasn't sure that was going to be possible, and it paid off in spades.